If you want to give good looks to your text boxes, you might want to add in fill and stroke to make it stand out. So in order to do that, simply click on the text box, and then what you can do is you can go and work with the text box filling by going on to this area on the toolbox right here. So you can see that there's fill color, there's border color, and there's border weight and border dash right here. So let me just go ahead and work with the fill color. So if I were to click it right here, you can see that I can work around with the solid color. So I can click here and add in a solid color, or I can go into gradient section right here and choose the type of the gradient that I want. Alternatively, I can go around and add in custom gradients as well. So you can go around and choose the color that you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose blue right here. I'm going to choose yellow right here. And I can also add in a point and add in a third color right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around with green, and that is how it looks. So I can go around over here onto the color section. So I'm just going to go around and I'm going to go over here to adjust it even further. So let's go to custom, and you can change this around into linear. You can change it around the angle just like this as per what you like. So you got more control over it, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around into custom. You can go around into radial. You can change around into top left or top right, you can see, and you change around the type of the gradient that you have. So that is how you add in the fill. And then what you can do is you can go around, add in a stroke as well. Similarly, in stroke, you don't have gradient. You simply have a plain color. So I'm just going to go around into, let's say, something like blue right here. And if I were to go on to weight, go around, increase the size, you can see that this is how it looks like. So you can go around, change the size of the text box right here. And then you can go to border dash and change the type of the border. You can turn it into dash, you can turn it into this or this or this, as you can see right here. And that is how the text box fill and stroke can be applied onto your text boxes right here. So you can resize it out and it dynamically adjusts, as you can see right here. So you can go around and resize this out, and there you go. You got a bit of graphics to make things a bit more interesting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.